your brochure. We look a mess, but don't worry, we're about to do a glow up. Hey besties, welcome to a Hair Care Diaries where I take the initiative to take care of my natural hair. So I've been wearing wigs, and the problem that I'm currently having is I've been having it on all month, or I wear it for a very long time, where the stocking caps really has been like thinning my edges, and me just not taking care of my natural hair. It's very dry, it's brittle, it's not getting that much sunlight. I do have a pixie cut, so we are doing start to finish and reviving our pixie. It is super dry, y'all. Let's get into this glow up. Let's do our hair. I'm gonna go through and comb through my hair. That's insane. Breakage. For my relaxer, I'm using the Affirm Sensitive Scalp with the liquid activator. So I'm going to pour everything in, and we're just gonna mix everything together. We're making that creamy crack. Brush right here, and I'm just gonna go in and apply it all throughout my hair. I'm starting the back because that's where it's the most coarse. Well, let me put some Vaseline around my edge. Set your timer for 15 minutes total. Don't go over. Try to apply it as fast as you can. I'm gonna do my front very last, since it's the most fragile part. Get in the roots. The roots is very important. I'm gonna go in and do my little front now. Guys, my hair feels good. Look how sleek it's looking. We have 1 minute. Let's go. So we're gonna wash our hair out for about 5 minutes. Time. So now I'm about to set it for 5 minutes. 5-minute timer. Let's get it. Time. I'm going in with neutralizing shampoo. This helps to, when you have like a product chemical in your hair, helps make sure all the product is out because of the pH level. It neutralizes relaxer types. So we're gonna wash our hair about 3 times until we don't see no more pink. I don't want to say I want to stop wearing wigs, because I don't want to stop wearing wigs, but I wanted to minimize the amount, how much I wear them, because I really want to start caring for my natural hair. Like, let's wash it out. This is wash number 3. And what you're really looking for is to make sure absolutely no pink, light pink is in your hair. So we wash 3 times. This step is 100% optional, up to you. But I am gonna wash one more time, which is the 4th time, but I'm gonna go in with my olive oil creamy aloe shampoo, and it removes heavy product buildup, moisturizes, softens, detangles, and promotes healthy hair. 1 wash of this. It smells so good. And don't like rush the process. Like, take time and actually feel on your hair. Like, water your plant, massage your plant. I need to get one of those massagers, like those ruffle massage that you massage your hair with. Feels so good. It gets so sooty. I'm about to go wash it out, and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going in with the Clairol. I'm going in with a rinse, a semi-permanent rinse, and this is in the shade black, because ain't nothing like a black pixie. And we're just gonna take our time and just go in. I know how to do my hair so well, like I was saying, because I'm kind of like a self-taught stylist. I never went to school for cosmetology, but I was a major wig maker in Brooklyn. Flawless Fits by Mocha. If you're an OG, you know. And I just know how to do my own hair. Like, it was my thing. Like, hair cost, you know? And now I'm seeing a lot with like the newer generation of hairstylists charging for everything. But I feel like a lot of us lack hair care because services don't even come with like washes no more. You really have to pay for that now. Only if you're an OG hairstylist, degree wise, got your cosmetology license, they offer washes, but a lot of them, you're not doing that. It's so black. My hair's gonna look so good. I'm so excited about it already. I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for about 20 minutes. I'm not gonna put a cap or anything. I'm just gonna leave it out like this. See y'all in 19 minutes. 20 minutes is up. We about to go wash out our rinse. All right, let's go wash. Yes, you're coming with me this time. You are absolutely coming with me this time. Now I'm about to go in with a hair mask, and this is from Thank God It's Natural. And it's supposed to be, it's an intense, deep penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. If I'm gonna go under the dryer, then it's gonna be 10 to 15 minutes under the dryer. Or I can just leave it on my hair without the dryer for 35 minutes. So I may leave it on my hair without the dryer for 35 minutes because I have nothing else to do. And we're just about to just dip our hand in here and rub it nicely and just massage it all through our hair. Get our hair back soft. I'm just gonna massage it, especially on my edges. I'm gonna go in my comb and just comb through it. I don't want to sit underneath the dryer because I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer when I mold my hair. So I'm just gonna let it sit on my hair for 35 minutes. Look how little my ponytail would be. Like, what? I'm liking that I'm not seeing that much hair coming out of off my hair no more. That's showing a little bit of improvement compared to earlier. I'm gonna go in with the castor oil also. I'm just gonna do little dots. This is the black castor oil. Massage that in my hair. I'll see you guys in 35. I'm not gonna put a plastic over my head. I'm just gonna let it sit and do what it do. We are back. I did wash out the hair mask. My hair is super soft. I am going to go in with this 10 Miracle leave-in product. I'm gonna spray it all throughout my hair. I'm just gonna use a tad bit Do Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. Just a little bit. And just go that through my hair too because we want to keep the moisture. Let's get to the fun part. To mold Nairobi. And we're going to be gracious. So I'm just gonna put it all on my hair. Don't be stingy. I'm not gonna really talk much at this part. I'm just creating the mold that I like. Everybody like their molds different. Just play around with your hair at this point. Get the best mold that best suits you. Make sure your mold is exactly how you want it to be. Once it is set, it is set. Ain't no fixing it. We're gonna go in with our wrapping strips. Put my dryer on for 50 minutes. We are back. You are at the final stages. If you made it this far, give your girl a thumbs up. That means you really like this video if you got to this part. Thumbs me up. Thumbs me up. We molded, we sat on the dryer, we got a mold down pat. You see my belly boob swoop because we did that. The mold is tea. Ooh, I could really stay like this, but I'm not because we gonna stop. I believe this is a 2.5 flat iron. I call it the Pixie flat iron. I'm gonna go in my Nairobi styling wax. This add like a nice shine on your hair. You don't have to put a lot, like a little goes a long way. That much, like a little dime size. Just rub it in your hands, put it down on your Pixie. Rub it on there, rub it in the back. I kind of do need to tape up my sides. And I'm just gonna taper a little. I'm not gonna OD. I'm just really making sure like my sides, like my back is just clean. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is real optional, but I'm doing it. Clean up the best way you know how. I'm then gonna go in my Duke Roll Mega Thick Hair Oil, and you're just gonna use a little bit too. Also, just rub it in your hand. Fluff the top out. Fluff it out. The parts that you know you're gonna like flat iron. Don't touch the front where you mold at, where the swoops are. Heat protectant. And this is by Tresemme, the Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant and Shine Spray. So you're just gonna, don't spray super close to your hair, but oh, it smells so good. Just spray it on there like a mist. And girl, you're just gonna go in and start curling. I'm not really gonna do a big demonstration. If y'all want a real detail on how I curl my pixies, talk to me in the comments. Let me know that you really want that video, okay? Start from the top. I'm gonna do my back last. Make sure it's not super hot. Curl and press. I'm gonna go down the line, pick up as I go. You wanna turn it and then slide it. That black, baby, I told you that black gon' show up. You see how the front is going? Front is doing what it has to do. And now I'm gonna go in and do my back. When it comes to the back, because I'm not a professional when it comes to the back, because I can't really see, although I have my little mirror right here, you kind of want to pick up, curl, line by line. Just keep on following, keep on going down, down, down. Bump it as much as you want. I don't like super tight bumps. That's just me though. Going with the Kids Colors and Care. This is the Edge Fixer 24 Max Hold. You're not gonna use a lot, and make sure you have an edge brush. Fix your little swoops. I'm just doing all my final little touches. I have like a soft brush. When it comes to the back, I'm just gonna finger comb with my hand. My Hair Care wax stick. A little bit, guys. I'm just gonna do the back. Just brush. Shabasher Shaper Plus. This is to make sure our curls kind of stay. Just sprayed it. Going in with the OG Olive Oil Nourishing Sheen Spray. Not so close. Like, you see how we doing it. And it all depends on how you want your curls. I really don't like my curls overly too tight or too big or anything like that. I like it to be like this, like real soft. Now, while I do my makeup, so I can come give y'all the final complete look, I'm going to go in with my mesh wrap, not tight, but lightly. Just go in and place it on there, and it's gonna sit. A little commotion for the hair, please. A little commotion for the hair, please. Like, what? Y'all gotta see. Okay, let's hit the back. Okay. All right. What? Who is her? I'm so happy with the outcome. I hope you guys really enjoyed this hair care diary tutorial, girl chat, talk through. Yeah, basically, it was like a hair vlog in a way, wasn't it? I hope y'all learned something. I hope you guys take the initiative, if you don't already, to take care of your natural hair. Like, I did that. No, we did that. We did that. I'm super happy. It looks like I just left the hair salon, y'all. Everything looks fantastic. Let me take a quick picture. Further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, bestie. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown.